not part of our jelly farm, go and subscribe because we really wish you could. And yeah, so watch today's vlog. We're gonna put some one slideshow right now of what it looks like outside because it's snowing. And next one, we're going to show all the photos that we've done today. We've stayed outside for like an hour. And Jake's like doing a little vlog. And so yeah, it was really cold. And at one point I thought I'd have to bring my mum to come and get me because we nearly got stuck on the ice.
Literally a metre away. Like not even that far away.
But anyways, we took some photos. Some of them failed. We only got like 5 ones of like good ones. So now I'm going to show you the snow, and then somewhere on another part of the video I'm going to show you the photos that we took. So let's go and have a look at the snow. Hope you guys like that little shot of the snow. And yeah, it's actually really cold. I hope we get blocked in so then we can't go to school. So yeah, we can't go to school. So anyways, today's been a really busy day. We went somewhere to have a KFC. It was so good. We went to have a KFC. We sat in. We came home. We went shopping basically. Came home, went to Iceland, got a couple of things. Then we came back. We had a photo shoot. We came back in. We were watching Zombieland. Watched Zombieland. And then now we just turned the thingy on, didn't we? So anyway, sorry about that. But look at that stag.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Wait, what are you doing?
Sorry if it's not good lighting. It's just me. Okay, so anyways, yeah, I just want to introduce you to
Darkness, my old friend.
hello, Dr. Smart. Okay, me and Jace are just gonna have a dance party, so keep watching.
21.
21. And then when you get up on the bed, and then go 21. 21. Kind of end of the day. So, yeah, and then I'm just going to show you the photos in this clip.
Don't you say a word, 'cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Oh, something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time.
Okay, so that is a lot, isn't it? I know. So, yeah. Hope you guys liked this vlog. Tell them what I done today. And there's still a little thingy going, hello Dr. Small Friend, going. And my little friend sitting in the background, just chilling. And yeah, Jake's just gonna edit this vlog. What sort of vlog? It's just a little...
Right, I'll put a text here saying, Jake, edit this vlog.
Okay, thanks guys for watching. Bye!
Bye.
Oh, wait a minute. Please subscribe to be a part of our
Super Squad.
Jelly Jelly Squad. Jelly. Jelly. Get it?
Like JALLIE.
Okay, so anyways,
Subscribe,
to be
whatever.
a part of our Jelly fam. Comment what you want us to do in our next video. And yeah, go and follow us. And yeah,
On Instagram.
see you guys.
Bye.